Candida here, and I love these 55-gallon trash bags. We keep a 55-gallon trash can in our garage, and it's kind of the catch-all. When we get out of the car, any trash goes in the trash can. So I need trash bags that are gonna hold up. Not only that, this is the trash can we use with the trash bags when we're doing yard work. So we have a mower that catches the grass and then we empty it in. So I need a trash bag that's gonna stand up and make sure that we don't lose anything out of it. What I like about this box is it's got the easy bag access flap. So all we've got to do is push it in and pull up on the perforations, just like that. And then our trash bags are they just easily come out. You do have to tear these, so you just look for the little rivets and tear your bags out. Overall, we've been happy with the trash can liners. They've held up well. It does the job that we need, and we don't have to worry about losing trash. So I hope you found the review helpful.